This is a C2 logs question. We are given first base 8x equals to 0.8, and we know that logs are the inverse of indices, so we can say that that is the case. And nowadays with calculators that change bases for us, we can easily write that that's minus 0.107. It does ask for free SF, so we better give free SF. There was a time when we had to take logs base 10 on both sides of those and then rearrange a bit, but nowadays we can just use the change of base, the base key on the calculator, and have done with it. So that's part A. Part B, we're using some important rules of logs here that we should know, which I might write down briefly now. In fact, we're using these rules of logs. Basically, logs turn multiplications to sums and vice versa. So we've got log x plus log y equals log xy. We're not using that one here, I don't think, but it's still an important rule. Remember, the base has, I'm just writing log here, but the base has to be the same for all of these rules to work. Base needs to be the same. That's it. Those are our rules of logs. So we have to abide by those. So we have to use them in both directions as well. Sometimes we need to split a log from here to here, and sometimes we need to bring it together, bring a log together from here to here. So we really do need to know and recognize these rules nice and easily. So let's just minimize that for a bit. Okay, so there's our rules of logs. Here we're going to use this rule to write that as just the log of something. And then we're going to use this rule I'm just writing the same thing, so it's not really getting us anywhere. That should be 2 as well. Okay, and then that gives me equals to 1. I can do that because I know I can cancel the x there, because I know that x is never 0, because we can't have the log of 0. So we don't. Some people had solutions of 0 which got ignored, but 0 does not apply here, so I definitely can cancel the x from top and bottom here. Okay, so now I can say that I could undo this log by saying that x over 7 must be equal to 3 to the power 1 if you prefer. So that gives us x equals 21. That is it.